first of all, for anything fast, let's start slowly and let's check out 3 tricks for some amazing and fast arpeggios. Well, hi there, I'm Kylie and I love to share easy tips and tricks to inspire you to learn the love of music here on piano. If you enjoy the content, then please subscribe, and a thumbs up is always the best compliment. Well, I've created a little minor progression today, so let's start with some arpeggios based 2 hands together if you like, or always start with 1 hand if that's easier at your stage. And let's go on an F minor, so F, A flat, C's, and F's at the top there. So we're going to go 1 and 2 and 3 and to the top. So that's our first lot of notes. If you want to keep it really simple, let's just go these ones. Then our next notes are to the F, A flat, D flat. So we're going into a new inversion there. So first inversion of the D flat chord. Our first one had the 4th finger. The second one will keep the 4th but then go to the 2. So we'll go 1, 2 and 4 in the right hand as well. So let's go up and down with that. 1 and 2 and 3 and our third chord, we're going to go to a B flat minor second inversion. So they're the notes there. F, B flat, D flat, F. Up to F at the top. Let's put those 3 together actually, because they're all similar patterns. So 5, 4 and 2 in your left, 1, 2 and 3 fingers in your right hand before our thumbs go under there. Here we go. 1 and 2 and 3 and F and down. Now to the D flat notes, F, A flat, D flat. 1 and 2 and 3 and now the B minor, B flat, D flat notes. So that was our first 3 patterns. Now our 4th pattern is going to step from this F, we're going to stretch down to an E, and we're going to go to what's called a diminished chord. So we're going to build up minor thirds, E, G, B flat, D flat, E. We're going to keep going over. We're going to keep going over again. And I think we stop on the D flat there. Let's do the counts there. 1 and 2 and 3, 4 over. 1 and 2 and 3 and then we're going to be at our start again up here on our F minor pattern. Then our D flat pattern. Fours and 2s, then our 3 and 2 to the B flat minor. Then to our diminished chord. Now what did I do there? A 1 and 2 and 3 and 1 and 2 and 3 and our little ripple to finish there. So let's play through that full progression now so that we can get it all flowing there with our notes and finger changes. So 4th finger to start in your left hand, here we go. So slow and steady wins the race, and let's build on from there and have a little look with what's happening with our technique. In one of my last arpeggios videos that I'll link to, I go quite into a lot of detail with the thumb passing, but a good way to check if your thumb is doing its work or not is if we go up, we'll start with the left hand. If we go up to where we cross and go our fourth finger to our thumb there, freeze there, turn upside down, and then we can get a look at where our thumb was crossing to there. If our thumb is only going to here and not crossing all the way that it needs to go, that will cause our elbow to flick out or our wrist to go all funny and whoopee. So check out that video too if you want a little bit more detail. The other thing to watch as we're going with our arpeggios, or look at now the right hand, is checking that our wrist isn't going up each time we want to let our thumb go past. So as our thumb passes under, we want to watch that this wrist stays very level there as we go. So as it comes over, and as we change to the next one, we've got a 4 to our thumb then. So watch that our wrist is staying nice and level there. The minor now. Pinky passing from finger to finger as we go. And then our diminished. And then we're back to the top to start our F minor arpeggio there. So let's play through our left hand and check that each finger is passing as well from finger to finger. So pinky to 4 there. Smooth all the way to the top, joining, but each finger doing its own little job there. Now to the B flat minor notes. And to our diminished, all our minor thirds. And then we'll be up there to start all the pattern again on our F minor arpeggio. A second trick now to build into our fast arpeggios is that once we are aware of our thumb passing and our level wrist, and that's starting to get a bit easier, we can also look at repeating the intervals. So with our left hand, if we look at our F to our A flat, repeat those two, and let's count to 4 there. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Next pair, these two here, 3, 4, then 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 over, 1, 2, 3, 4. Next pair, 1, 2, 3, 4. So we can repeat each little grouping to really help our fingers to know where they're going and to help to know when the thumb is to go under as well. So first pair, 2, 3, 4. Next, 1, 2, 3, 4. Then up to our thumb, 1, 2, 3, 4. Next pair, 1, 2, 3, 4. Then 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, and finish there. And if you want to start going a bit faster or hands together, it can end up sounding like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. Trick for fast and smooth and beautiful arpeggios is to have a look at their evenness. Now, to make something very neatly even and well controlled, we can actually play it deliberately out of rhythm. So if we think of pizza, 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 ta. So it's a bit of a dotted quaver, semi-quaver rhythm. Let's do it again. Pizza, 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 ta. And left hand, here we go. Pizza, 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 ta. So have a go at getting those a bit more comfy as well. Try it. The left hand, you might need to go a little bit slower. Make sure you hold, quick hold, quick hold, quick hold, quick hold, quick hold, quick hold. Sometimes if we're right hand dominant, then we need to think just a bit more carefully and slowly with our left hand and make sure that it's doing exactly what we want it to do. So we've deliberately made some notes longer and some shorter with that rhythm. Let's now flip the rhythm on its head so that we can control it exactly the other way. So let's now do popcorn, popcorn. So here we go. Popcorn, 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 pop. So that is our semi-quaver, dotted quaver that time if you want the tech details of it. Now with the right hand, here we go. Popcorn, 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 pop. And once again, I might demonstrate in both ways. Let's do the pizza pattern first, and let's do through our little progression that I've made up today. So pizza, 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 pizza. So now change. So pizza, 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 pizza. And so on, and down to our popcorn now. So here we go, popcorn. Anyway, I went too far there, but if we go from our popcorn, 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 then we're down to this F. Popcorn, 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 popcorn. So if we swap back and forwards between those two rhythms, then that will really help us to get good control of every note with every finger, and then we can bring it easily back to a smooth control as well. I might just demonstrate one more time, making it nice and quick for those of you that want to go a little faster now. But basically start steady and then build it up. Looking at these 3 tricks today will really help to have beautiful fast arpeggios. Here we go. Well, thanks so much for joining me. I'll add a link to some other videos that also focus on beautiful arpeggios. So enjoy. Happy music making. Ta-da.